Hi guys, today's video, I will show you how to play with friends using ZeroTier. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay, first you need Google Chrome or any other app, and you need an app named ZeroTier. First open the Google and search ZeroTier and open the first website and click on Start a Free Trial, and it will ask you to sign in. You can use Google account like me. And after that, click on Create a Network. It will make a server. Click on the server and you can change the name of it. I named it Test for a video. And then go scroll down and click on Public. And do you see this number? You need it later, so you have to copy it. And then leave the Google and open ZeroTier and click on Add Network and type the network ID in this place. And then scroll down and click on Add. After that, connect to it. After that, click on the network and copy the managed IP because you will need it to put it in the LAN. But be careful with the managed IP because you don't need the number after /. After you do that, you need to give it to your friends so they can join. But before, you have to type it in your LAN. Okay, now the first player, who must be the host, will give the other players the network ID and the managed IP. And the other players will take it and put the network ID in ZeroTier and connect, and will take the IP and put it in the LAN. Here is a video that shows the other players what to do. They will open ZeroTier and click on Add Network, and they will type the network ID here. After that, they will connect to it. And then they will open Los Angeles Crimes and type the IP they got from the host in the LAN. And then he will click connect, and the host must have pressed play, and he is playing in the moment so the other players can join. And done. This is how to play with friends using ZeroTier. And also, guys, the ZeroTier app is not only for Los Angeles Crimes, it's an app that make you and the other connect to the same network. And if you guys connect to the same network, and you guys will be able to play such as Minecraft and Stardew Valley and any game that has LAN in it. So yeah, that was all for today's video. See you guys in another video, and bye-bye.